Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today, but before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's get started. So as you see, I'm going to be trying out the mystery box from Gerard Cosmetics. I believe that's how you say that. This is what the box looks like. And then when you open it on the inside, it has some fun information here. At the end of the video, I'll read what that says and what this little card that they gave us says. So stay tuned for that. But I just wanted to kind of get into it. Basically, this is a limited edition GC Love box. It basically said it was going to be a mystery box. So that's what we're calling it. But I will let you guys know everything that I got in here and everything. And then I'll be trying out some of the products. So I've never tried their brand before, so I thought what more of a perfect way to try their brand than to get a mystery box where it just kind of gives you like not one of everything literally, but a lot of things. So I got the gold box, which was $39, and it has a minimum value of $110. There was two other ones you could get that were more expensive, so I got the cheapest one. But I ended up getting 9 things for $40. I got a bunch of lip products and a couple other fun things, so I'm going to be testing them out today. And then there's a couple things that I can't really test out in this video that I'll have to use in a future video, but I'm really excited. So I've heard a lot of people talk about this brand. I've been following them for a little bit on social media, and I've been really curious about them, but some of their stuff seemed kind of expensive, so I was like, well, I don't know. And then I saw this and I was like, this is the perfect opportunity to try some of their stuff out. So let's just get into what we got. So I'm going to show you the two products that I'm actually not going to be using today. So the first one is a pop socket. I thought this was really cute. I actually already have a pop socket on my phone right now. It's a Jeffree Star pop socket. So if that one ever falls off or anything, I have a backup now, but it's Gerard Cosmetics. So as long as I like the brand, I'd be willing to support it on the back of my phone because that's something that I use a lot. So depending on how this brand works out will depend on if I actually use this. If not, then I may give it to you guys in a giveaway in the future. But if I do end up liking their products, then I will definitely keep this and use it in the future. And the other thing that I'm not going to be using in this video because I don't have any makeup on is the Slay All Day setting spray, which is something that I've been hearing so much about, which is one of the things that I was super curious to try from the brand because this is something that people talk about all the time. This is the lavender one, and it's actually like a travel size or a mini. I'm not exactly sure what they're calling it on their site. So it's this little guy right here. Isn't she so cute? I didn't go to their website and like look any of these products up, so I'm just going to go off of whatever they say on the back. Just get into showing you the rest of the products. So I also got a lipstick in the shade Mystic Moon. This is what the packaging looks like. It's just a gold packaging and it says Gerard Cosmetics on it. This seems like a really pretty like brownish shade. It's like a brownish mauvey purpley kind of shade. So next I got the Gerard Cosmetics Longwear Hydra Matte Liquid Lipstick, and it is in the shade Ecstasy. This is what she looks like. It's got like a blurred effect on the actual components. Ooh, so this is like also kind of like a mauvey pink purple kind of color. Very stunning, kind of matches the lipstick almost. I really love that color. That's like kind of the color that I would like gravitate towards. So definitely love that. We have the Gerard Cosmetics Metal Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Grape Crush. Ooh, and she's actually purple. Wow. Very interesting. Metallic purple. Wow. Oh my gosh, that's stunning. I don't know how that's showing up on camera, but in person, that is like the prettiest purple ever. Now we have the Color Your Smile lip gloss in the shade Salmon. And this is what she looks like. She's got a cute little mirror. and she lights up when you, so that you can put it on in the dark. That's a really bright light, holy crap. So if you were in the dark, you'd be able to, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on, might as well. I'll still swatch it for you, but I'm gonna go in with a second dunk. This is what the first dunk looks like. That's probably enough. Yeah, that seems like that would be enough. You could probably make it a little more opaque, but as you see it on the lips, that's what it looks like swatched. This light's crazy bright. And next we have the Supreme Lip Cream in the shade Wild Berry Tart. Ooh, I like that. It's really pretty. And that's what she looks like right there. All these colors are very gorgeous. And we have a lip pencil in the shade Nude, which I love that it's going to be a nude because that is perfect for like most lip products. And it kind of looks like it would match some of the lipsticks that I have here. So, ooh, yes. So it's like a more pinky nude. It's right here, this little swatch right there. I wanted to show you all the lip products first, besides what I couldn't use. So this is the last product, and it's not a lip product, it is actually an eyeliner. So this is the Eternal eyeliner in the shade Noir. Shake before use. Okay, well, noted. That's what she looks like. And you're definitely gonna have to take it out of the plastic. Oh, okay. You hear that? Interesting, it said shake before use, so. And it is a liquid liner. Ooh, okay. That is really pigmented. Nice. The two matte ones do dry completely down, and everything else seems to still be like shiny and glossy, so they're not going to dry down, which I assumed the other products probably wouldn't. I normally prefer a dry down formula, but we're going to be trying out some stuff today that's not, which is fine. I like to try other things from other companies that aren't dry down, but that's just my preferred. So the two that I'd probably be going for more are these two, because those are the two that dried down. So of course these are gonna be my first impressions of all these. I'm not really gonna know how long most of them are gonna last or anything like that. That's definitely something that I'm gonna have to keep testing out off camera. But I just want to show you what all the lip products look like on the lips and what the eyeliner looks like. So really excited to try out these products for you. So far, I really like the lip gloss. Like, it feels like it's kind of hydrating. It's not too like goopy or like thick, like heavy like some lip glosses are, and it's not like making my lips feel like they're smacking together, like, you know, too sticky. So I'm actually really liking this lip gloss. Like, I kind of almost forgot that I had it on, but yeah, it does feel really nice, so I'll definitely be using that in the future. It may go in my purse. Okay, so let's try out the lipstick. This is in the shade Mystic Moon. Let's see what she looks like on me. Seems pretty pigmented. Seems like it's like a purpley nude almost. At the end of this video, comment down below which was your favorite lip product on me, or which one you like the best, or any other product from them that you'd like to see me try, or your favorite product from them. So next I want to wear the Supreme Lip Cream in the shade Wild Berry Tart. This is also not a dry down or anything. It seems like almost a more pigmented like gloss type of situation, because it's like doesn't dry down, but it's almost like a liquid lip that's like a lipstick and a lip gloss like kind of mixed together is kind of what it's reminding me of. That's what I feel like lip creams normally are. Seems really pretty. I would definitely wear it again. So next I'll use the lip pencil to line my lips, and then go in with the dry down matte. I feel like the shade looks really pretty. So it's completely dried down, transfer proof. When I push my lips together, it does seem like a little bit like tacky still. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell. It seems really pigmented, looks really nice. It does feel like kind of drying on the lips, like I do feel it there, and it does feel drying, which it doesn't feel like super comfortable, but it's not like, oh my gosh, it's sucking the life out of me. So it's kind of like in the middle, so I'm not exactly sure how I feel about it because I have other liquid lips that I like I really like the formula where they're not too drying, like the Ofra liquid lipsticks and the Jeffree Star Blur liquid lipsticks. Those are really comfortable on the lips and they dry down and stay on for a really long time. So I'll definitely have to keep trying this out. It seems pretty nice so far. It just seems like a little almost too drying, but I'll keep it on for a minute while I put on the eyeliner, and we'll test that out too. So I'm going to put this on off camera and I'll be right back. I'm actually really loving this eyeliner so far. I don't know how long wearing it is or anything like that, but I love that you can draw, like, with the applicator is so thin that you can draw like a really precise line. And for me, if I'm going to be wearing eyeliner, I really like it to be like really small and precise. When I like look up and look straight at you, you can't see the eyeshadow that I just put on the lid, so it kind of takes away from it. It's the only way that I wear eyeliner is if I'm going to wear lashes. But with this one, I would actually feel comfortable wearing the liner with like actual makeup, because there is a little gap where you can actually see the eyeshadow because the line is so thin. So this is definitely something I will be using possibly in the future. I gotta keep testing it out to see if it works well or is long lasting, but the applicator I'm really in love with. So the longer I've had it on, the more comfortable it does feel on the lips. It's not as like crazy or tacky or anything, so it does take a little bit of time to dry down. I just want to let you guys know that. But it does feel a little more comfortable on the lips than when I first put it on. It's still like kind of drying, but that's how most dry down liquid lips are. I wouldn't say this is my favorite formula, but if I had to give it a rating from 1 to 5 of how comfortable and nice it feels on the lips, I would say like a 3.5, so that's not too bad. And that lip pencil seemed to do its job. I'm definitely going to have to keep testing it out too, along with the other products. So the last product that I'm actually going to be able to try in this video, which like I said, I got the pop socket and the setting spray that I'm going to have to try off camera, but the last actual product that I can try for you guys is the Metal Matte in Grape Crush. So stunning. I love it. I think this is a very stunning color. But I'm going to let it dry down for a second and see what it looks like after that. Still stunning. So it feels a little like it's a pinch less drying than the Hydra Matte formula, but it's still like kind of drying feeling on the lips. It looks gorgeous. I'm definitely going to be wearing this again. Yeah, I feel like a lot of these products definitely worked out. They seem really pretty. The swatches are still kind of on my hand for the most part. But yeah, I think everything worked out pretty well so far. Like I said, I'm going to have to try out the setting spray and maybe put the pop socket on at some point. So I might as well, just for funsies, just at least spray the setting spray on my face because I have really sensitive skin, so I want to know if it's going to affect me or not, and I'm curious what the sprayer's like. Ooh. That mist. The mister is amazing. Wow. Smells like lavender, like expected. Yeah, so as promised, I said I would read the little card and the box at the end of the video, so that's now. So it says, "Hi Beauty, in honor of our 5-year anniversary, wanted to spoil you with something we know you have been wanting. These limited edition GC love boxes. Inside these bad boys you will discover your gift packed with an array of GC's Slay Essentials. We hope this box brings you joy and happiness and shows you how much we love you. Keep slaying, Jen." And then on here it says, "Hi beautiful, thank you so much for your order and welcome to our GC family. We hope this very special delivery has made your day a little bit brighter. Makeup is our creative outlet, and it's a dream come true to share our passion with you. Your feedback and support on social media has been key to our success, and we have nothing but love when we see you wearing our lip colors and sharing your products hauls with us, which is kind of what I'm doing right now. With much love, Jen. So yeah, really excited. I'm happy that I got this box. I'm definitely going to be using the hashtags that are on here whenever I post this and when I post it on social media, so that maybe they feature me in a future post or something like that. That would be cool to be like retweeted by them or something. Yeah, so I really enjoyed the product so far. Like I said, I'll keep you guys updated in the description box down below, and maybe a couple of these will end up being in my future favorites. And I'll definitely give a more in-depth review of the Slay All Day setting spray in some kind of future video, maybe not on its own, so just keep watching the videos to see this possibly featured in a future video so that I can show you how it actually works. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, please comment them down below, and check the description box for more information about the video. My Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are at GlamGirlGray. See you next time.